Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will discuss in-depth SEO, and we will just talk about a quick overview that what SEO is and how we can approach the SEO. So before starting the practical SEO, we should want to know some very important things. So what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the act to get traffic from different search engines like Yahoo, like Google, like Bing, like Yandex, etc. And also for specific platforms like Amazon and YouTube, that is also called search engine optimization. So how we can get specific traffic or get relevant traffic? So if our content is relevant to certain subject, we can get the traffic ensure. So the most important step for the SEO is creating a most relevant content. Okay, so it's very important. And then we also need to increase the authority of our website. Authority is something you can say the for which we can derive from the genuine content. We can derive it from the most external links on the other sites and a lot of other factors. So for example, in you can see that here is we are on the Google, and if we type here something, so let's search for example for example best practices for example, let's this best practices for SEO. So now for this keyword, you can see that we have the sponsored thing on the top, and these are the paid ads which are actually not SEO optimized, but these are on the top because they pay to Google, so that's why these ads are on the top. So just ignore these ads, and then after that you will find out the main SEO based articles. So here you can see this article is on the top, then this one, then this one from some other website, then this one, and then this one. So these articles, the 5-6 more on the top articles will achieve around 70+% traffic from the internet. So these first companies, or these first 5 articles, will get more of the traffic of the internet for this specific keyword. So this is very important. So for example, if we type the same word in the YouTube, let's go to YouTube, and here we will just repeat the same keyword, let's enter, and then you can see that we will find out the top 5-6 videos here. Okay, and these videos are actually more SEO friendly. They are specifically optimized for this keyword, so that's why these videos are on the top, and these videos will get more views as compared to the other videos. Okay, so in this way you can understand that how important is the content and how important is the page authority, or you can say the authority of the website, which is very important. And then the important thing is technical optimization. Definitely with the technical optimization, which is actually in behind the scene, and you can say that includes the back end development of the website, and we want to optimize certain images, we have to optimize speed of the website and some other factors as well, and that is actually the technical optimization, which is also very important in terms of SEO. And then after that, definitely help search engines to rank us. So search engines should know that there is a website with the name of Paspan TV and which provides a content they should find us around the search engines. So for that purpose we have to submit our websites to specific search engines as well. So before moving further, we have to know our goal with the SEO, whether we want to optimize our website to get traffic on the website, and we should know that what audience we are actually going to target. For example, if we have a YouTube channel, definitely we have to focus on the SEO optimization for the YouTube visitors and viewers, and we will focus certain keywords according to the YouTube. Similarly, if we have the Amazon platform, we have to target keywords according to the Amazon, and we have actually the goal of that SEO specific to Amazon is to get the customers and get the buyers which will actually buy our products. So it is very important to specify the goal before doing the proper SEO. So when we will be clear about our goal, then we can do SEO in the right direction. And then also what type of content which we have to create for specific users or specific audience, it is also very important. And then again, one more thing which is very important is that what medium we have to choose. So for example, if we have YouTube, we will that is another medium, Amazon is another medium, Google is another medium, any other website around the world is another medium from which we can actually get the visitors, viewers, or the customers. So that is also very important. And also while doing SEO, we will have to spend our time to find out the specific keywords, the targeted keywords which will accelerate our business, which will accelerate actually our content more and more and better through the period of time. So that's it for this video. In next video we will move further. Goodbye.